Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube channel for your Amazon affiliates. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start earning money with Amazon affiliates. How do you actually go ahead and set up a YouTube channel for that? Now the way that I've done it is that I have this used to be just like a side channel for me. It's called Betterment Reviews. So what I used to do is that I would just compare items of the same kind with one another. So this item here, or this video here, I'm comparing camping tables. Over here, I'm comparing dog cooling mats. Over here, I'm comparing stackable storage bins. And so what I've done is that I would compare these similar items together. And then in my video, I would mention which one I feel like is best. So by mentioning which one you feel like is best, it really helps kind of tell the audience what item to buy. So in my Amazon affiliates account, I'll actually see that people are buying the table that I mentioned in this video. People are buying the item mentioned in this video. People are buying the item mentioned in this video. So it really does convert well for a nice converting video. And I don't have to rely on AdSense. I'm making money from affiliate income, which is around like $300 per month. But as far as setting up a channel yourself for Amazon affiliates, start off by reviewing products. And then if you can buy and compare two of the same products together, like take for example, this video here, sorry my screen's covering it, where I compared the Lux bidet versus the Tushy bidet. If you can compare at least two similar products together and then tell them which item you think is best, that really does convert into a well-formed video. So with that, within each of my videos, I mention which one I think is best. So if you actually check the description of my YouTube videos, you'll see that I mention my top 4 picks and then other items mentioned within the video. But that right there is the best way that I've been able to set up a YouTube channel for Amazon affiliates. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.